Welcome to Unveiling the Enigma, exploring the secrets of the dark side of space. In this video, we will embark on a journey to unravel the mysteries of the unknown, to discover what lies beyond our sight. As we delve into the depths of space, we'll encounter cosmic wonders that shroud themselves in darkness. The dark side of space, also known as the far side, is the region that forever faces away from our planet. It remains veiled, captivating scientists and space enthusiasts alike. What secrets does it hold? What celestial marvels await our exploration? One of the most captivating enigmas of the dark side is the presence of black holes. These cosmic devourers possess an immense gravitational pull, consuming anything that ventures too close. They remain hidden, yet their effects ripple throughout the cosmos, redefining our understanding of space and time itself. In our quest to decipher the mysteries of the dark side, we'll encounter another enigma: dark matter. Although invisible, it makes up a significant portion of the universe. Scientists believe dark matter helped shape galaxies, but its true nature eludes us. Venturing further into the depths, we'll encounter the haunting beauty of nebulas. These vast clouds of gas and dust conceal the birthplaces of stars, harboring the secrets of stellar formation. Amidst the darkness, brilliant points of light emerge, illuminating the cosmos with their awe-inspiring radiance. As we journey towards the unknown, we'll witness breathtaking galactic collisions. These cataclysmic events reshape entire galaxies, creating extraordinary displays of cosmic fireworks. In the darkness, chaos and creation exist side by side, reminding us of the ever-evolving nature of the universe. In this extraordinary quest to unravel the dark side's secrets, we stand at the edge of human understanding. Yet, with each new discovery, we find ourselves humbled by the vastness of space and inspired by the limitless possibilities it holds. Thank you for joining us on this exploration into the mysteries of the dark side of space. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more captivating adventures into the unknown. Keep exploring, keep dreaming, and keep pushing the boundaries of knowledge. Thanks for watching.